Oh boy, look at this one here. We want to find the derivative of this quotient, and the quotient is made up of exponentials. So let's give it a go. We're going to start here. F prime, I know to be, all right, it's a quotient. Bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. Let's see what we can do here. So f prime of x is going to be, all right, it's going to be the bottom, so quantity, e to the 2x plus e to the 3x times the derivative of the top. Now the top is an exponential, so it's the function itself times the derivative of the exponent. So it's e to the 4x times 4. So here is the bottom times the derivative of the top minus. Now we're going to need some more room here. This is going to be the top, e to the 4x times the derivative of the bottom. Now the bottom, these are exponentials, and we're just going to get here the function itself, e to the 2x times the derivative of the exponent, 2, plus the function itself, e to the 3x times the derivative of the exponent, 3. There's the bottom times the top times the derivative of the bottom, all over the bottom squared. So e to the 2x plus e to the 3x squared. We've got the calculus done. Let's see if we can use some algebra to simplify this. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to distribute, well, first of all, I've got the 4. You know, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this all the way in. I'm going to bring the 4 e to the x and distribute it all the way through here. So I'm going to get 4. Now, e to the, you see what you get here? E to the 4x times e to the 2x. So 2 powers with the same base, so you add the exponents. 4x plus 2x is 6x. Plus, now multiplying in here, I'll get 4, and then e to the 4x, e to the 3x, 2 powers with the same base. I'm going to add those exponents. So I get 4 e to the 7x minus, now let's take this one through. So if I take this one through, I'll get a 2 e to the 4x, e to the 2x is 6x. So I'll get 2 e to the 6x, 2e to the 6x, and then minus again over here, but I got that 3. And then, again, e to the 4x, e to the 3x, 2 powers with the same base, add those exponents, getting 7x all over that denominator squared, e to the 2x plus e to the 3x squared. And now, I think we can combine these, right? I got e to the 6x is here and here, e to the 7x is here and here. So we can combine getting f prime of x equals, okay, what do we get on top here? What have we got? We got 4 of these e to the 6x's, and we're going to subtract 2 of them, so that leaves 2 of those. So we get 2 e to the 6x's, and then what? We got 4 of these e to the 7x's, and we're going to subtract 3 of them, so that leaves us with 1. So minus e to the 7x all over that, well, plus 4 minus 3 is plus here, right? And then over the bottom squared, e to the 2x plus e to the 3x squared, and that is as simple as we're going to get that.